To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, navigate to Privacy. Under Who can see my personal info, select Status. Under Who can see my status updates, select My contacts accept. Then tap on Zero excluded next to it. From your contacts list, select the person you want to hide your status from. You can also use the search icon to quickly find them. Then, tap the green check mark to confirm. Your settings will be saved. From now on, the people you chose won't see your status updates, but everyone else can. So that's how you can hide your status from one person only on WhatsApp.